Hello children, let us continue with the grammar revision. Let us learn what are degrees of comparison. So an adjective of quality, it changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. In the previous session, I have explained to you what is an adjective. An adjective is a word which adds more meaning to a noun. So now this adjective, it changes its form when it is used to So there are three degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. Let us see what is a positive degree. We use the positive degree when we speak about only one person or thing. No comparison is being made. For example, LeBron James is tall. We are talking about one particular person and we say that he is tall. Tall is the describing word. The house is big. Big is the adjective. House is the noun. This flower is beautiful. Beautiful is the adjective. Flower is the noun. So positive degree is where we speak about one person only. One person or one thing. Next, comparative degree. We use the comparative degree when we compare two persons or two things with each other. Okay, we compare, a comparison is being made. Yao Ming is taller than LeBron James. Yao Ming is another person. He is taller than this LeBron James. Second one, this house is bigger than that one. Bigger. She is nicer than him. Nicer. So taller, bigger, and nicer. Okay, these are adjectives used in the comparative degree because they compare two persons or two things with each other. Thirdly, superlative degree. So we use the superlative degree when we compare more than two persons or you cannot compare. It is the highest degree of the quality. For example, Peter is the smartest boy in class. If Peter is a noun, smartest is the adjective. Smartest means what? No one else is smarter than him. Okay, smartest is the superlative degree. It is an adjective. Alice is the sweetest girl in the neighborhood. Sweetest is the adjective. The blue whale is the largest of all animals. Which is the adjective here? Largest. Okay, it is in the superlative degree. So, out of these degrees, positive, comparative, and superlative, we see that superlative is the highest degree of the quality. Okay, there are some things to remember, children. There are where degrees of comparison is made with adjectives of one syllable. Adjectives of one syllable means one word, they add er and est towards the end. Adjectives on e just add r and st. Some adjectives we see they double the final consonant. For example, you see here small, smaller, smallest, warm, warmer, warmest, old, older, oldest, nice, nicer, nicest, big, bigger, biggest. Now let's see some examples of adjectives of two syllables. Narrow. Comparative degree will be narrower. Superlative degree narrowest. Useful, more useful, most useful. Boring, more boring, most boring. Modern, more modern, most modern. Next, adjectives of three or more syllables. they make use of mostly, more and most. The adjective beautiful. The comparative degree of beautiful is more beautiful, superlative degree most beautiful. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Exciting, more exciting, most exciting. So we see for adjectives of three or more syllables, we make use of more and most. There are certain irregular adjectives. The word itself is different. You have to remember this. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, many. Comparative degree is more. Superlative degree, most. Far, positive degree. Comparative degree, farther or further. Superlative, farthest. Late, later. Superlative, last, latest. Adjective, old. Comparative degree, older, elder. Superlative degree, older, oldest, and eldest. These are the degrees of comparison. Some more examples you can see here, children. Bad, worse, worst. For, former, foremost. Good, better, best. Late, later, latest. One much refers to quantity, many refers to the number. So just go through the examples, children. I hope you will understand it.